Hello adik-adik, this is Raj Kumari. Thanks for using Raj English Corner. I'm very pleased to be here and I look forward to meeting everyone in my class. Saya sangat senang berada di sini dan saya berharap dapat bertemu dengan adik-adik di kelas saya. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Today's topic is about in the supermarket or at the supermarket. So today, we are just going to dig deeper into the previous lesson adik-adik so that you can understand better. Jadi kali ini adik-adik, kita cuma mau mendalami lagi pelajaran kemarin dengan konteks yang tidak jauh berbeda agar adik-adik bisa lebih mengerti. So, should you say in the supermarket or at the supermarket? Jadi apa yang harus Anda katakan adik-adik? In the supermarket or at the supermarket? Well, both are fine, but with slightly different meanings. At the supermarket means you could be immediately anywhere in or immediately around it, while in the supermarket means you are referring specifically to the interior. Yang keduanya bisa dipakai adik-adik, tetapi dengan arti yang sedikit berbeda. At the supermarket berarti Anda bisa berada di sekitarnya, sedangkan in the supermarket berarti yang Anda maksud khusus di dalamnya. Let me put things into context again so that you will be able to set the broader picture. Mari kita menempatkannya ke dalam sebuah konteks lagi sehingga kita bisa melihat gambaran yang lebih luas. Situation 1. Now, you were supposed to meet with your girlfriend in front of the supermarket to do some shopping together. But she's late, and as you want to save time, you have started shopping. After a while, your girlfriend arrived at the supermarket and did not see you in the parking lot. She phoned you up and inquired. Misalnya Anda seharusnya janji bertemu dengan pacar Anda di depan supermarket untuk shopping bersama-sama. Tetapi pacar Anda terlambat dan berhubung Anda mau menghemat waktu, Anda masuk ke supermarket dan mulai shopping. Setelah beberapa saat, pacar Anda tiba di supermarket dan tidak melihat Anda di tempat parkir. Dia menelpon Anda dan bertanya, "Where are you?" Your answer is, "I'm in the supermarket." What you mean is, you are inside the supermarket. You are physically located within the walls of the building of the supermarket and you want to make it clear to her that she won't look for you outside the supermarket. Maksud Anda adalah Anda berada di dalam supermarket. Secara fisik, Anda berada di dalam tembok gedung dan Anda ingin menjelaskan kepadanya bahwa dia tidak akan mencari Anda di luar gedung supermarket. Are you able to relate what I say, adik-adik? Does it make sense to you? Apakah adik-adik bisa memahami apa yang saya jelaskan? Apakah masuk akal untuk adik-adik? Situation 2. You are not at home and your best friend is waiting for you at home. She phones you and says, "Where are you?" Your answer is, "I'm at the supermarket." What you mean is that you're doing your shopping. You don't want to emphasize exactly where you are as it's not relevant in this situation. Being at the supermarket means that you're near or within the supermarket's location, but you could be standing or walking outside it. Also, you could be in your car, parked in the supermarket's parking lot. and still be at the supermarket. Apa yang Anda maksud adalah bahwa Anda sedang belanja. Anda tidak menekankan dengan tepat di mana Anda berada, karena itu tidak relevan dalam situasi ini. Being at the supermarket berarti Anda berada di dekat atau di dalam lokasi supermarket, tetapi Anda bisa saja sedang berdiri atau sedang berjalan di luarnya. Anda juga bisa sedang berada di mobil Anda yang diparkir di tempat parkir supermarket yang masih berada di daerah supermarket. That's it for today, adik-adik. You did very well. Great job. Stop the video and try again one more time and one more time and one more time. Hentikan video dan cobalah sekali lagi dan sekali lagi dan sekali lagi. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered the topic. Dan jangan lanjut ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now, adik-adik. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you loads.